Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record screen on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. To record screen, slide down from the top of your screen, then slide down again, and then search for screen record. It's here, click on it, then you can choose whether to record a single app or entire screen. And you can enable recording audio. You can choose whether to record device audio, microphone, or both. I'm gonna choose only device audio, and I'm gonna choose a single app. Start recording, and now choose an app you want to record. I'm gonna record Google Chrome, and this is the counter that starts counting. Now it started recording. Okay, let's just click here, no thanks. And now when I go to hard reset info, it will record all of that. The recording is saved. You can see here that it's saved. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.